Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Snapchat login temporarily disabled due to repeated failed attempts. If you're using Snapchat and you're facing the issue that your login is temporarily disabled, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. So the very first thing is that you just have to go back and you have to try to connect with the strongest network connection. And after that, you have to also make sure that your VPN is not connected. After disconnecting with your VPN, you have to simply open your browser and you have to simply search for Snapchat support. Search for this website, and here just scroll down and you'll get the option of contact us. Tap on it, and here just scroll down and you'll get the option of I can't access my account. Select that option. Then further scroll down and select the option my device is banned or temporarily disabled. Select that, and here you'll get the message or information about your issue here, and here you'll get descriptions. You can follow this step to fix your issue, or you can also tap on this options you'll need help, and here just select any option from here, and after that you have to log in with your Snapchat account and your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.